हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हो गया है थर्ड डे। तो आज हम जाने वाले हैं उबुद।
ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद हमने अपनी शुरू की जर्नी फ्रॉम जिम्बारन टू उबुद। जिम्बारन टू उबुद का डिस्टेंस इज अराउंड 42 किलोमीटर्स एंड 1 से 1.5 घंटा लग जाता है डिपेंडिंग ऑन ट्रैफिक। उबुद में हमारा पहला स्टॉप था सात्रिया कॉफी प्लांटेशन।
Robusta coffee, okay. Arabica is this one?
Yep.
Okay, so it's just
Smaller.
We are here for coffee tasting and the Luwak coffee. The funda of Luwak coffee. Luwak is a animal which looks like almost a mongoose, and they feed them fruits and the cherries of the coffee. And after eating that, this Luwak poops it, and the poop is collected, washed, and the coffee is made. Kurkuma is haldi, no?
Kurkuma chai for your stomach, not crash.
Okay.
One for my
This is vanilla.
Yeah, this is the vanilla. And then the pods of vanilla bind with the coffee.
Oh, so you make vanilla coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are vanilla pods. Where's the Luwak?
This one is the animal. They are making the poop coffee.
Poop
Maybe
coffee.
You heard about that?
Yeah.
The animal look like a mongoose. Yeah. Normally they are eat any kind of the fruit. So when they taking the coffee bean, the animal will be choose the best and the red color of the coffee because they're looking only the sweetness part.
Okay, so that's a Luwak. That's a cage, and they go to the forest to pick up the best coffee cherries of Luwak.
After processing.
And where is the seed?
This the seed.
Okay, and after washing it is like this. They remove the cover and get the seed. This is after washing, and these are the spices: cinnamon, long. They roast the coffee. This is roasting, okay, for 1 hour. Yeah. So this is.
And here is the last process.
They grind it here, and then sieve it like this and get the coffee. Coffee or tea also? All coffee?
Coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
Okay.
This one the ginseng coffee.
Ginseng coffee.
Make chocolate. This is vanilla coffee for relaxation. This is the Bali coffee.
Tea.
This is saffron tea.
Saffron tea.
This is hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate also.
This is lemongrass tea.
Lemongrass tea. So I'm trying the vanilla coffee.
Yeah. Take a sip and
Very
give
nice.
it to me.
Mochaccino. How's it?
This is chocolate flavor.
It tastes like chocolate.
Chocolate.
Coconut coffee.
Okay.
Let me try.
This tastes like coconut.
It's got a coconut flavor. I didn't like it much. This is not good. Ginseng I didn't like. The 4 coffees I liked mochaccino, and I like the vanilla flavored. Hot chocolate. It's very nice. You'll like it. This is saffron tea.
Everything has a very different flavor.
It's got lemon in it and saffron. Okay, I mean, not very sugary.
This tastes like kacham.
This is total kacha aam. Avocado coffee, let's see.
Avocado tastes like nothing, so I don't know how they're gonna.
It is just coffee.
Yeah, because avocado.
There's hardly any taste. Some fruity, I think, taste is there. और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. Bali traditional coffee.
We had this in the
This is very strong.
It's very strong. This has, it is made of rosella flower, and it has a lot of antioxidants and used for cancer treatment. Ginger tea, lemongrass tea, very tasty. Just everything except I think mango tea and that rice tea.
in our shop. You can follow my friend. He gonna escort you to go to the shop. Yeah.
यहाँ पे आपको फ्री में टी एंड कॉफ़ी टेस्ट कराते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन ऑल्सो बाय कॉफ़ी और टी, लेमन ग्रास टी, जिंजर टी. It's around 110 idea, that is around 5 to 600. I like this vanilla coffee. How much is this? It's a nice experience, and you must come to the coffee plantations, and they give you a very nice tour. If you try the Luwak coffee, then you have to pay them on 50,000 idea. So that is the only payment they take if you taste the Luwak coffee. Rest all is free. So it was a very nice experience. Now let's move to the next spot in Ubud. We are at the Ubud swing, Aloha Ubud, where you can go for the swing, take a dress for rent, and then go for the swing also.
Tickets, you will take the photo by your mobile.
These are the dresses for rent.
You stay here, na?
This is the couple swing. So this goes round and round. So this is the Bali swing. This is the butterfly swing. Okay, this is the butterfly one. This is the bird's nest, and that's a chicken net. So this is the two swans photo. This is a couple swing, and these are the people who are waiting for their turn. Friends, we are at Aloha Ubud or Ubud swing. So basically they have a lot of swings here and a restaurant, so you can pay a package and come inside and take photographs. You can also rent the dresses. So the ticket for the full package is 4 lakh IDR, and if you just want to take an entrance ticket and one of the pictures is free, so that is around 50,000 IDR. And in case you want to rent a dress, that comes to 2,50,000, that is 1400. And so you can try out all the things inside package wise, but all the packages are per person. So the person who takes a package can only avail all the pictures and the swings. So behind me you can see the rice terraces also. Let me show you terraces. So they have terrace farming, rice farming here. So I could see so many of them going for the Bali swing, and I took some photographs and videos also. And you can hire the dress from them, and the dresses are in very vibrant colors, and they look beautiful in the pics. Ubud rice fields, they're so beautiful, green. They look like Indian villages. They also have paddy fields like this. And some car rally is going on. Vintage car rally. At Pura Tirtha Empul. It's a holy spring water temple, and you can take a holy bath also here. So we are just taking the entry tickets. So this temple is a very famous temple in Ubud, and you can go and take bath in the holy spring water. And these are the offerings, daily offerings for the gods. This temple, it's compulsory to wear a sarong, and also you need to tie your hair if you have long hair. You cannot go there with open hair, and even if you are wearing a full dress, sarong is compulsory. So यहाँ पे एक होली स्प्रिंग है, उसमें आप नहा के अपने पापों को दूर कर सकते हैं. It started raining again today in Bali, and so we this time took big umbrellas from our resort, and most of the hotels will provide you with big umbrellas. So I think the water is very cold right now, and बारिश भी हो रही है यहाँ पे, but still many people are going and taking bath there. Hills हैं यहाँ पे और बहुत ही सुंदर टेम्पल है. So we are inside the temple, very old temple, and this is the main area where they do the offerings and the puja. Puja going on. Heavy rain here. Shirts, crochet tops for 4.5. Pants.
Yes, pen.
Okay, how much is this?
That is 250. Yeah, with the
How much?
kimono, 250.
250.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is top for you.
यहाँ पे आप शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं, एंड बेसिकली हर जगह वही चीज़ें दिख रही हैं. यहाँ पे भी भुट्टा मिल रहा है. Tegenuegen waterfall. चलो यहाँ से देखते हैं, व्यू पॉइंट है. वाटरफॉल, और वो नीचे से द वाटर इज फ्लोइंग, एंड ऊपर एक ब्रिज है. दैट्स अ ब्रिज. स्टेप्स हैं, and then you can reach down there. We have to go down lot of steps.
Umbu asleep.
तो खिंचवा सकते हैं, and totally free. और नीचे काफ़ी सारे स्टेप्स है टू गो टू द वाटरफॉल. देखते हैं कहाँ तक जा पाएंगे. There's a club down there. After visiting the waterfalls and getting wet in the rain, we are going back to Bali, and now first we'll have our food again in an Indian restaurant, and then back to our resort. And once again we are in an Indian restaurant and we have ordered some Indian food. Sizes as papad, and this is chutney and onions, butter paneer, kadai chicken, and naan and rice. Bon appetit. Chalo khana shuru kar do. The food was actually very good, and I think it is a branch of Queen's Tandoor only. Now this place is in Kuta. Yesterday we had gone to Seminyak, Queen's Tandoor. So अगर आप कोटे या सेमिनाक में रहते हैं तो आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं इन रेस्टोरेंट्स को. So now we will explore a little bit of Kuta and then head back to our resort. Till we meet again, stay safe, keep enjoying life. This is Padang Badang beach, very clean beach.
Looking here,